coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got something rather unique. It is Tastily Quick Pasta Cheezy. Basically, it's mac and cheese. You're like, what? That's not ramen. But it's exotic. Come on, it's from Malaysia. Yeah. So, let's take that pot. We've got our quick cooking pasta dealy deal. So basically you dump it all in, and then you dump in all the sauce. I know, right? But this is when you do it. I read the instructions. And you simmer for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Wow, I got a problem with my socks. Simmer, simmer. We'll see how it goes. The other one I had, they had a creamy one too. That went pretty well. Why are my socks not working? Why can't I make socks work? It's like I walk out of them now. I don't understand why. I don't like it. But what I do like is that for me, it's my Friday, even though it's a Wednesday. Because my wife's got the next 2 days off. We like to spend time together. So that's what we will be doing for the next 4 days. Tomorrow, the main reason is because tomorrow we're going to go up to Mount Rainier and scatter my mother's ashes. We've got a permit. We're good to go. So yeah, and it looks like the air quality up there is going to be really nice. So. So let's go to the standard portion of our show, the reading of a quote from the fine book Momo Fukuando Speaks. These are quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. So number 40. Wow. Trying ideas one by one and throwing them away one by one. Development is the process of pursuing one idea after the other. So there you go. Now you know. So it's been a day. I swear this whole online school is for the birds. It's really now getting to like be annoying. My son has autism and he basically likes to go all over that tablet. He's having a good time. But if you were in a classroom, he wouldn't be doing that. But the tablet, you know, it's like there's all this idea that you're supposed to start a community and relationships with people over these tablets, and it's like, no, not for little kids. They can't do that. Maybe some can. I shouldn't say it's impossible, but on the upside, this morning, Mimi figured out how to use the tricycle. They've been all about just going, I don't get it. I think it's because they push both feet down at the same time evenly. It's like, no, you have to go 1, 2, 1, 2. Miles actually said, oh, like walking. I'm like, yeah, like walking. Perfect. Go do it. No, but Mimi got it this morning. That was pretty impressive. But yeah. Speaking of walking, I went on a pretty good walk this morning. My wife's been going to work a little extra early this week since she's got the next couple days off. And I found something on top a recycle bin that had a bunch of flashing lights. There were 4 of them, but I only took 1. It's a tire. It's a little wheel. It's kind of neat, isn't it? I mean, it's got nice tread on it, and if you roll it, it rolls really nice. I don't know exactly what it's from. It says front. Maybe you know. Is this from like a beefy RC car or something? No. Mimi's mad because Miles is taking a pillow. There's more pillows, my sweet little girl. God. Maybe you can't hear it because of noise canceling, but boy, she's just like having a fit. I need the pillow. I need. Oh. Get the pillow. You'll be fine. You'll figure it out. Hold on a moment. Stop you squealing. There's another pillow. You're fine. Enjoy your day. Happiness to be yours. You have 2 pillows. You're good. Well, you can't have it. That's my girl. She'll be happy in a minute though because I made mac and cheese. This is the portion of the day where she gets to have a nice long tantrum. That's enough! You need a timeout, Miriam? No, you're not going to use that pillow. Miles is using it and being very calm. You need to go sit down. Do I have to give her a timeout? Mimi? Are you done with your tablet? Are you ready for a timeout? Then go sit down and enjoy. Have fun. It's a pillow. You're gonna live. Yeah. Besides, I just made macaroni and cheese. What? No. No. That kind of perked her up a little bit. Macaroni and cheese. I'll be honest, I let it simmer a little long. Kind of lost a lot of the soupiness. Usually it's, these ones are kind of soupy. It's good. I'm kind of getting a chicken hit off of it too. I don't know that there's chicken in this. Contains wheat and milk. Flavor enhancer. I don't see any chicken. But here's a chicken. Let's just put it in this bowl. I don't think I'm going to do much more than put it in the bowl, because I don't think there's anything I could add to it that would make Mimi happy. So the countdown is on, ladies and gentlemen. In 2 days, I will be doing a mukbang. You'll get to watch that and enjoy. It's funny, there's like a sweetness to this stuff. But yeah. Like, really? Really? I sat here, watched the Ramen Raider, and he made mac and cheese? Yes, you did, and I did. So now, you can enjoy rotating the mac and cheese. Or you can just leave, but if you leave, You will not have your name on the Magic Mausoleum. You will not have your name imprinted in gold. So watch. Tastily macaroni and cheese, mwah, from Malaysia, huh? Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, bye.